Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to my channel. We're going to call this video All for One, One for All. Stay with me and stay tuned so I can tell you exactly what I'm talking about. The One for All for One is about all the members supporting each other in that group. On this event, or on this day, there was supposed to be one group of us, which would have been 10 to 12 riders. The other group, one of the bikers, dropped his bike, and everyone stayed with him, which meant we were not going to see each other this day. And on our ride, one of our bikers had issues with his bike. No one left. Everyone stayed and supported the rider. We stayed together to make sure we saw it through together. And that's One for All for One. Stick together, support each other. No matter what the cost, we all stayed. Okay guys, we got the bike fixed. We're now heading over to National Harbor on the Maryland side. Just stay with me. We're going to ride through, pick up another rider, heading on down to Budge Creek to enjoy the festivities. And you will see it is amazing. WPGC put on a fantastic show at Budge Creek. So you'll see us there in a bit. Hold on and stay tuned. First of all, I will tell you this, guys. This was a truly amazing ride. But the beautiful part about it was we were able to get to the event, to enjoy the event. We got there a little later than we wanted to, but it was still great that we made it there. But the event it's a 3-day event, but I was only able to make it 2 of the days. But in those 2 days, I got so much footage out of there that I ended up coming away with 4 to 5 videos, so I had to split all of it up. So I'm showing you piece by piece, and by the time you get through seeing everything, you'll see it all come together. It was truly amazing. I was happy to see the slingshots there, happy to see everybody there having fun, all the motorcycles, all the different colors, all the people, the food was great, the bike racing was amazing. If you ever get a chance to come to the WPGC event, it's always in August. So if you get a chance to come enjoy yourself, check out the festivities, and it'll always give you a great remembrance of being in the DC area. guys, we're now in the Maryland area. So as you can see, the MGM Grand to your right with the red stand on top of it. So as we're passing that, we have maybe another, I would say 40 minutes before we get down to Budge Creek. So won't be too long. We're on the way there, but I put up a little bit of clips so you all can see the events of the next videos that's coming up. So of course they had a DC Go-Go band there. They had the bikini contest. They had the bike race. What else? They had something else there. I'm trying to figure out exactly what else is it that they had there, but it was nonstop. They had a sound contest. Well, you already know that I can't play the sound contest, so that I had to avoid, which is one of the things I wish that YouTube would go ahead and let everybody do, but I understand that they can't because it's really not up to them but the producers of the music. So we're now in Maryland. We're heading down through Fort Washington, Maryland, all the way down to Indian Head. Once we get there, we have another maybe 25, 30 minutes to go, and we'll be at the event. So stay tuned and enjoy the show. Okay guys, we made it. We're now here at Budge Creek Raceway, Maryland International Raceway. As you can see, we're going to the parking area. This was a great turnout that they had here. So it's time to get here, relax, and enjoy the show. That was the plan. After that, long ride home, but it was great. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next upcoming video. Again, it'll be in a week's time from now. So I hope you enjoyed this show and looking forward to the next. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.